This video nominates Habibi.Works for Project for Awesome 2026. Habibi.Works is an intercultural makerspace in northern Greece, located 200 meters from Katsikas camp. Next to our day-to-day activities, our wood, metal and bike workshop, our sewing atelier, our free shop, media lab, the English classes and our storytellers lab, a big factor in what makes Habibi.Works is all the joy. The spontaneous jam sessions, dance parties, dabkes, drumming on the kitchen counters before dinner. Habibi would not be the same without them.
Make music.
These are only a few of the reasons why I think Habibi.Works is one of the most amazing places. I hope that you will vote for us for Project for Awesome 2026.